Good morning. Welcome to the Wildings Wet Landing. Had a heck of a storm come through yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, and I thought I'd show you a little bit of flooding while I take the dogs out for a walk. You can see, I'll back up here a little bit. Even in the kitchen, although you can't really see in the kitchen from that angle, the ground is really wet. That's kind of my kitchen door, so to speak. Come over here. It's still pretty dark. It's still pretty early. Yeah, the solar light's still cranking. But you can tell how wet it is. Dogs have nowhere to lay down. Well, they do, but it's in their kennel and they don't want to go there. So, let's take these babies for a walk. And we'll show you some very wet ground. Just give you an example. We're approximately ankle deep here. It goes all the way back. It was flooded under the aviary last night. Water's gone down quite a bit, actually. This is my driveway. The front of the tent. Yep. I got a little bit of water in there, too. Turned the hammock. The winds were hellacious. I don't mind water, but the wind and lightning were horrible. And with this much water on the ground, what I can get done today is pretty limited, so it's going to be a kind of a chill day, I think. Just watch this place kind of dry up. Thank God my dogs are troopers. Now here, much more ankle deep. But it gets a little bit deeper. Here we're, pretty much still ankle deep. Everything over here, my mango tree, my kumquat, my sugar apple, plumerias, guava, all of that is quite underwater, although it does dry up pretty quick. That's the thing, is you can turn around and look at this. Sorry if I turn there kind of fast, but you can turn around and look at this, and really by this afternoon, I'm lucky, most of mine will be gone. Not everybody can say that. Most of mine will be gone. Dogs just chased something over there. Alright. Come on. Can enjoy a really pretty sunrise while we're doing this. See if it catches it. Come on. Ah, dry land to run on, Mommy. Looks like there's a palm farm or something up there in the road. Kind of freaked them out. So I just wanted to bring you guys along, show you what it looked like after a storm. Like I said, luckily it does drain really fast. So I'm not worried about it by any means. I've got to get the tent dried out the best I can today. We're supposed to get another round of this stuff tomorrow, or today, later. Hopefully the wind and lightning stay to a minimum. I can go for the, oh crap, she sees something that I don't. Oh, yep, They went after the pompron. Anything strange in this road, they're after it. Alright, folks, thanks for joining me. Just a quick one today. Show you a little flooding. Show you a little bit of what I got to deal with today. Alright, love you guys. Thank you again. Hit those buttons down at the bottom, you know, the like, the subscribe, the share. Yeah, all those. Alright, good morning. Thank you.